In this video, we will see if your Premiere Pro is lagging or rendering too slow. We will see 6 real tricks that will fix your Premiere Pro right away. So first of all, you need to find your monitor. As you can see, this is the display area. And once you see the playback resolution, make sure you keep it at 1:2 or 1:4 because it will drastically increase your preview speed in the Premiere Pro. Once you're done, you need to go to the file and you need to navigate to project settings and navigate to general. Once you're right inside, make sure you are right inside the general and you need to find the renderer under video rendering and playback and make sure you have selected your Mercury playback GPU acceleration CUDA. This is very important. Once you're done, you need to go to the edit and you need to navigate to preferences and you need to go to general. And once you're right inside, you need to go to the media and once you're right inside the media, make sure you select both of these options: H.264 HEVC hardware accelerated decoding and hardware accelerated encoding. Both of these options should be marked as tick, and in order to further modify it, you can keep the NVIDIA selected. Don't select your integrated GPU. We need to go with the dedicated GPU, that is NVIDIA. And once you are done, you need to go to the media cache, and once you're right inside the media cache files, make sure you find this option, remove media cache files, and you need to click on delete, and you need to delete unused media cache files. And once you're done, you need to go to the memory and you need to reserve maximum RAM to the Premiere Pro. For example, RAM reserve for other applications should be minimum, and in this case we have allocated the 13 GB of RAM to the Premiere Pro. Perfectly fine. And one important tip you can use is you can enter the render in and out in order to increase the preview and the rendering speed. For that, you need to click on this pointer and you need to right click on this. You need to click on mark in, and once you are satisfied with the position that you can render to increase the preview speed, you can right click on it again and you can click on mark out. So this is the area that will be rendered by the GPU and it will increase your preview speed. So these are all the tricks that you can apply to increase your rendering speed and increase and reduce the lag in your Premiere Pro. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.